So if you click on, here's what I'm going to see. You're not going to see this page right here. But let's just see what exactly I'm going to be looking at from when you enter that. So let's go back here. May take it a minute. Okay, so you can see right here, here's going to be the file that we just entered. Sandra Porter, Steve Davis, 117 Randy Road, which is the same as this number right here, 117 Randy Road. And you're going to see where you put the status new. That's what it's going to look like. These are other leads that I had entered earlier today or yesterday, but you can also see the date that you entered right here. I'm going to have all of these on here. And you're also going to see the owner's mailing address that you had entered, yellow letter for the campaign piece so that I know what exactly was mailed so that I can track that, and driving for dollars. So you can see evictions. These are going to be a different lesson for you to learn. And that's where you're actually going to put lead type as an eviction for an eviction lead, and then they're going to have a number associated with that particular person or file. For this matter, though, you've got everything here. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. You're not going to see any of that. That's perfectly fine. But let's go ahead and do another one here. So for this one, we're going to have the next. We've done 117 Randy Road. Now 301 Randy Road. Let's go ahead and enter that in our tax records. So you're going to go back up to here, property search again. And from the worksheet that I have sent you, you're going to see the next number you're going to do in street. Another note that I want to make here, you're going to see right here where it says name only on street name. What that means is you're not going to need to enter road or trail or street or pass. All that you need to enter is this first name right here, Randy, Jasperson, Center, Berwick. The only reason that I enter this information right here so that if you come across on tax records one that comes up and maybe has Center Street, Center Avenue, Center Road, you'll know that the one we're looking for is Center Street. So just in case that happens, it makes yours easier. So for 301 Randy Road, let's go ahead and check that one out. Going to click search on that. And you're going to click on the name again of the owner. And you can see this one right here, the owner of the property actually lives at 301 Randy Road. So it's the same one. So we're going to know right off the top that there's a good chance we may not be entering this on the web form, but we may also. So let's scroll down to the bottom here, and you can see this one. Sales history, 10/7/2010. That's too new, isn't it? So we're not going to enter that number on the web form because that's after 1989. So we're going to know that that's too new of a last sale history, and we're not going to use that. So then you're going to go to the next one. So we'll go back up to property search, and our next one is 405 Randy Road. So you don't even have to change Randy. All you do is 405. Go ahead and go to search, and click on the owner name again, David Poole. Whenever you see the E or ET, UX, never worry about this stuff. That stuff is not even needed. You just need David Poole when you're entering the name. You can see that he actually lives at this house as well. So let's see if we're going to enter this one in there. Ah, here we go. This is later than 1989. This one is still going to be entered into the web form. Now, just for the sake of further, if you saw something that said commercial right here, we wouldn't use that. Anything other than commercial is in here, perfectly fine. And if you even put a commercial property in there, that is no problem. What we're looking for primarily is, was it last sale date later than 1989? This one is. So let's go ahead and enter this information on the web form. So you can see David Poole is who we're going to enter here. So let's